Hello, what's up, everybody? Let's add an order through service layer using C# code only. We will start as usual with Postman to interact with the service layer web service, part of SAP Business One version 10 that works both on SQL and HANA. So what do we need to do? First, I'm going to log in, get the session ID. Then with the session ID, I'm going to look at an order just to see the field names that I need to post, and then I'm going to hit post for an order. So log in, we get the session ID here. What Postman automatically does is reuses that session ID. When we call an order, I know 492 exists. So if I call for it, I know it uses a cookie, the v10 session. Automatically, when he's making the call, it's part of the header, it's hidden, blah, blah, blah. It's automatically set is what I'm saying. So we get the order. What do I need from here is the doc due date. And then for the lines, the minimum I need is the item code and the quantity. So having these fields, I can now have a skeleton of an order in my post. So I'm going to specify the customer. I forgot about that one. Customer, the due date when the order is due, and from the lines, item code, quantity, line number. If you have multiple, you can add a comma and add a new line and a new line and a new line until you're done. You can even specify addresses if you want, but this is just the bare minimum. So if I hit send on this order, what the web service will do, it will create the order and it will give me back the document entry and the document number and the rest of the fields that SAP set against the order. So let me show you it actually works. Send 495, 495, and all the fields that were automatically set by the ERP. Now we need to replicate this from the C# code. Let's switch to this. What am I going to do? Same operations, log in. If the login is successful, I'm going to take the session ID, add the order, and log out. So the login is same as before in the previous examples. Let's look at how adding an order actually is done. It's done towards the orders. The payload is JSON, but I'm using a J object to quickly set up what I need. So I only need the same fields, card code, due date, line number, item code, quantity, but you can add more. And then I'm making the request. Because the cookie is not set automatically, we need to set it by hand. And making the request and reading the response. So I'm reading the response with a stream reader, read everything in a text form. If we get a 201 created, which is the status for a success call, then I'm going to parse all of this mumbo jumbo into a J object. And I'm going to extract only the properties that I need, doc entry and doc number, and put them in the console. So previously, when we made the call with JSON, we got 495. If I run it with the console application, let's see what numbers we get. 496 and 496. And if we press enter, it's the end of the program. If you want this code, link is in the description. Do whatever you want with it. Go nuts. Hope you like this presentation. Let me know what else you want to know. Bye.